Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I am, as promised, unbagging the second diamond painting from Onedaysaving. I had a diamond painting of ostriches that was, the bags were burst, and Onedaysaving sent me a replacement, and they contacted me and asked if it was okay if they put in another diamond painting. So I said yeah, that'll be fine, and I have just finished recording the second ostriches unbagging, and I said I would do the surprise one next, so that's what I am doing. So this is the surprise diamond painting. This was the second one that was in the bag. Doesn't come in a bubble wrap envelope, it's just a simple plastic bag. Normally they come in the padded envelopes, but this one didn't, so not a lot to say about it. It is a partial, which means all of this black area does not have glue on it, and it is special drills. And for people who are new or thinking about diamond painting, I'll talk about special drills. So we'll have a look. Onedaysaving.com are a budget diamond painting website, and they do not supply boxes with the diamond paintings. As I said, normally you would expect it in a padded bubble envelope, but this one didn't have any kind of padding at all. Doesn't seem to have had any effect on it, or any adverse effect on it. We'll have a look at the thumbnail, I suppose. So this is the thumbnail. As I said, not really something that I would have picked just off my own accord, basically. But they said, would you like to do a review of this one? And I thought, well, I've never done one like that, so why not? So we have item, diamond painting, number YXC123. They don't name their diamond paintings, they're just reference numbers. And then size is 30 by 40, so it's 30 centimeters across, 40 centimeters down. So we'll have a look. And to watch what I'm doing, that was the cellophane, because I wasn't thinking about it. As I said, this part here, it's a partial, which means the whole picture is not covered in glue. The glue is only on the areas where the special drills go, where all these dots are. So I don't want to take that off, which I nearly did. So we'll open it up and have a look. And I'll check out what I get in it. So we'll have a look at the canvas first for a change. So as you can see, it's a mask, a female mask, and a hat. That looks okay, actually. Yes, quite artistic. So we have these places for the special drills. It's different from normal diamond painting, where you have square or round drills that cover the whole thing. You have these dots, so these will be round, but we have these sort of weird shapes. Some are pretty big, and I'll show you what that is all about. Just keep this in the background, I think. So we'll have a quick look at the kit. Basic budget kit. Green tray with no spout, square of pink wax, pink pen. Absolutely standard diamond painting kit. Nothing else to say about it. So that's the kit. Now the interesting part, the drills. They come in a bag. I think it should be the same as normal. Yep, the glue strip along the side. You just peel that back, take them out, get that noisy stuff out of the way, and then we can have a look at the drills. Now this is where they are different. They call them special drills because they are very different from normal drills. They look like glass. I mean, they are plastic, but they look like glass. They have this silver base, and that helps to reflect light back through the drill. So the light goes through, hits the shiny silver part, bounces back, and it gives it a much more sparkly look. So we have some round ones. It looks like a lot of this is round, but you can get special drills in all different shapes, like rose flower shapes, teardrops, I can't even think, but a lot of different shapes. This one seems to be mainly round, which is fine. So we've got these ones a bit different. And then these white ones are just like, they look like normal white drills, whereas these ones look more like glass. And that is it. So in total we have 6 colours. Woohoo. 6 bags, 6 colours, check, got them. And then all you do is you use the very small key. So you see symbol number 1 is bag number 1, symbol number 2 is bag number 2, blah blah blah, down to 6 is 6. And it's as simple as that. So if you were starting this, if you were starting at the bottom, the first one at the very bottom is number 2, so you would get bag number 2, which is these ones. Separate these so you can easily get to them. They are perforated, but I wouldn't really recommend trying to rip them. There's a chance it's going to tear and go into the bag. I would just use scissors and separate them. So you're looking for bag number 2, which is this one. What we do is use scissors to open the bag once you've separated it. Pour out some drills into your tray, put some pink wax in your pen, and then just pick them up and place them anywhere you see a 2. So you see the 2s and they're sort of all scattered through this section, so it's just a matter of looking through it. The good thing about parcels like this is you don't have to worry about setting your hand on glue, because there is no glue. This black area is not sticky. The only sticky area is where the markers are for the drills. So the really good thing about doing the special drills is it is very fast. It does not take long because all of this is printed, so the actual mask, all we have is some 3s around the eyes and the cheeks, and then some 3s coming down here and some 6s on the nose, and that's it. The actual main area of the mask is printed, and again it's not sticky. So I mean, to do the nose you have to place 5 drills, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's that nose done. If it was a normal diamond painting, you would have to fill in every square. The whole thing would build up as a picture. You would have all different colours in the shading here. It takes a lot longer. So if you're new to diamond painting and you just want to give it a try, just a basic try, partial drills might be an idea. Not quite the same as actual diamond painting where you have to fit everything tightly together. It's a bit more forgiving. There is a gap between everything, so you don't need to be too exact, but it could be good practice in using the diamond painting pen, because the technique for picking up the drills is exactly the same as it is for normal diamond painting. So I did notice when I saw this, I went on their website and I noticed they actually have a few different masks with the same idea, the same style, the black background, but different colours. So you have different masks, and I thought that actually might look quite good if you had, say, like 4 of them in a row, and had them in like one big frame, I was thinking, and a separator between them. It would look pretty cool. So that's it. nothing much else to say. Just one that Onedaysaving asked if I'd be interested in doing a review. I do like it. Once the drills are on, it's going to be a lot more bling. That's the thing about the special drills. They are much shinier than your normal drills, and I think that goes very well with this whole sort of mask theme. Very, very bling. So if this is something that you're interested in, onedaysaving.com. I will put a link to the masks, a direct link, you can have a look. I'll also put a link to the website and you can just have a browse at your heart's content. They do diamond paintings, they do cross stitch, and they do paint by numbers. Diamond painting, you can filter it, so you can look at only special drills, or you can look at only square drills or only round drills. There are hundreds if not thousands of designs. There is a lot to look at. The only thing about the budget companies is the kits, as I said, they don't come in a box, so they're not rolled up, so they are sort of semi-folded. They're not folded with a crease, which would be pretty bad. They have these waves, and if I turn the canvas over, you can see these lines. Now the thing that you have to do is flatten the canvas before you start diamond painting. All you would do is put some heavy books on top of this, leave it for a few days, and it'd be nice and flat. Or you can put it under your mattress, and the same thing, leave it for a few days, it'll be perfectly flat, and then you can diamond paint. If you don't do that, you are going to have these creases and waves in the canvas, which are really going to annoy you. So just make sure the canvas is flat before you start working on it. That is the downside. It takes a few days to flatten the canvas. That is it. Everything else is fine. No issues with the drills. They're nice and shiny. Nothing really to report. So a nice easy kit if you're thinking about taking up diamond painting and want to get used to using a diamond painting pen and pink wax. It's exactly the same technique for the normal diamond painting kits. It just means you have to place a lot more to build your picture up, and you won't get these fancy shapes. So that's a little bonus, but that's it. So that was the surprise kit from Onedaysaving.com. So that's it. That was a little surprise bonus that they just asked if I would like to do a review of. Actually, when I see it, I do like it. It's quite stylish. It's definitely something that I haven't done before. I haven't done any mask diamond paintings. Special drills, which adds that bit of bling. I think for this style of picture it actually goes very well. I like the black background and the green and the white. I think that's going to look pretty nice. Yeah, it is. I think once I get it finished, I might actually have a look at the other ones, because if I remember correctly, they had a few different masks and different styles. This one is green mainly. I think they had one that was like yellow and maybe red, I can't remember, but I just thought, when I looked at it, I thought that would actually look quite good, having a row of maybe say 3 or 4 of them, with the different styles and the masks, if you are into that sort of theatrical sort of theme. So yeah, nothing bad to report at all. The only thing to remember is make sure that you flatten the canvas. It's the same with the normal diamond paintings. The canvas is exactly the same. It's just there's a lot less glue and a lot less drills to place, so it makes it nice and quick. If you're just looking for a little something to pass the time, you could easily do this in what, an hour, maybe a bit more, depending, but it wouldn't take long. So yeah, that's it. I will add a link, as I said, a direct link to these masks, and you can have a look if you're interested. And I'll add a link to the website, and I will also put a discount code in the description. Always read the description. So that is it. So thanks to Onedaysaving for throwing in that little bonus one. I will definitely do it, and I will post it on Instagram when it's finished. So that's Diamond Painting Jim on Instagram. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see more unboxings, unbaggings, comparisons, anything to do with diamond painting, please subscribe and hit the notification button. If you do that, you may catch me on YouTube Live, where you can drop in and see what I'm working on and have a bit of a chat. I'm always interested in talking to other people who are interested in diamond painting from all around the world. I'm quite nosy when it comes to that, finding out where people are in the world and just learning a bit about where they live, how it compares to where I am now. I am originally from Scotland, hence the accent, but I now live in Copenhagen, the capital city of Denmark. So moving here was, yeah, an experience. It's definitely different living in Denmark comparing it to Scotland. The diet is a lot healthier, so that's definitely a good thing. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.